Still family with another video. Today I'm gonna bring you my hot cocoa coffee bar for the Christmas edition. Like every Christmas, I'm gonna flip the camera and show you how it is right now. We still have the fall decoration, so let's see what we're gonna get. So this is how it is right now. So the mug, this is where we're putting our coffee right now. Have a little fall. We have only 10 full fall. And yeah, this is our before. And let's see what our after's gonna be. We are gonna start by cleaning everything and removing everything that we use on the fall. By the way, my fall decoration was like really on point. This is what we use to clean our granite countertop. And this is what we're gonna do. Hanging. It's a sign. Isn't this cute? It says old-fashioned sliced rice, 50 cents, warm blankets, and hot cocoa. And I found this in Target. And this was like $3 in Target. Found this. It says coffee and sugar. I ordered the tea. One, it gets here next week. So for now, we are just gonna use the coffee. And Dad, how cute! Santa, please stop here. And this says this house is on the Elf Pavilion. Love it. Okay, so that's our wall decoration. We bought this $2. This was at the Family Dollar. And we are gonna fill this. We're gonna fill this out with marshmallow for our hot cocoa. This is so cute. Has Rudolph. I'm just gonna place it there for now. There, like this. I'm not sure. This is what we want to do. For now, I'm just putting. Look at this. So. This is for the countdown that we are gonna start. We're gonna start after Christmas. I love it. Look at this mug. This is so cute. This is gonna go here. I found this cups on TJ Maxx. And I thought they were so cute. So this is Lena right here, blonde, and then this is me. So cute. And then you have the lid just for on the go. So we are gonna have that there too. Something that I really want to introduce and put is this is a letter to Santa. So my plan is for each one of us has an envelope in here. So my plan is to have us a letter, so every day we can check and see who writes to us in here. This is gonna be something really cute that we're gonna do for the 25 days of Christmas. So this is for when we do our Christmas vlogging. But yeah, this is so cute. I also found this in a dollar store. Trying to see if I can incorporate it, or these are also really amazing. I have to open this. So we found this also in TJ Maxx. They were like $2.99 each. This is for all the sweets for our Hotcoco. Merry and bright, yes, to my best friend. And this is the other one, happiest holiday. So pretty. I also find this, it says Merry Christmas. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna refill. With this. Alright, so these are Hotcoco from Starbucks. And there it is. So we have Hotcoco and then we have coffee on the bottom. There's one missing. So Hotcoco, coffee, and more coffee. And this is gonna go. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the camera now so you guys can see the final thing. I'm in love with my Hotcoco coffee station. This is the coffee. These are the letters that we're gonna send to Santa every day. And then this is, it says joy, love, peace, and cheer. This is here. This is here. Candy. So this is it for today. I hope you really like my idea. I hope you like what we did. I hope you like what I did with our coffee station and cocoa station. Let me know down below if you like it. Let me know what's your favorite part out of everything. Let me know if you think I should change something. I might change something before Christmas. But right now, I really love it. I really like it. And I know the wifey is going to really like it when she comes from work today. Because it's super, super festive and everything. So, yeah. It's going to be until next time. Peace. Look who's here. She's home.
Oh my God, look it. My favorite place in my kitchen.
That's your favorite?
Yes, qué lindo. Oh my God, holy day. The happiest.
You like it?
I love it. Look at the deer. Oh, so cute. Thank you, baby.
I love you.
I love you.